Hello, my dear students. Today we will pass on to the other patterns of inheritance and genotypic expressions. Mendel explained inheritance in terms of discrete hereditary determinants or factors, now called as to the genes. What was shown by him in P was later shown to be generally true for a variety of traits in many plants and animals. However, all patterns of inheritance could not be explained exclusively on the basis of Mendel's original principles alone, and complexities were observed by subsequent workers. So many such complex situations could be resolved within the framework of Mendel's principles with suitable modifications and extensions. Today we will pass on to the incomplete dominance. Please watch this video and come back. Okay, we go to the incomplete dominance. Mendel's law of dominance states that one allelome of dominates over to the other, and such F1 exhibits one of to the two alternative phenotypes present in parents. However, there are some characteristics which are exceptions to this rule and show incomplete or partial dominance. In such cases, dominance is absent and the hybrid individuals resemble neither parent and are intermediate between the two parents. This phenomena is known as the incomplete dominance. For example, the F1 progeny from the cross between the red and white flowered 4 o'clock plant, that is the Mirabilis jalapa, bear the pink flowers in F1 generation. The red, pink and white flowers of plant occurs the 1:2:1 ratio. The incomplete dominance, one gene does not clearly dominate to the other. The genotype of the offsprings is blended off to the two parental phenotypes. In the case of the incomplete dominance, when the offsprings of two homozygous parents show an intermediate phenotype. Here you look thus, the two horses is there and these two horses are unite together, and then in their F1 progeny shows the both the color combinations of to the mother and father. So, the incomplete dominance, the heterozygous phenotype produces the phenotype that fails in between the dominant trait and recessive traits. When two characteristics are crossed together in F1 generation, the combination of both of the characteristics of the parents that shown. So here the the three colored roses are here. The red and white color roses are combined together to forming and another color. The combination of these two parents' color, the forming in F1 generation the rose color or the pink color. And so this type of dominance, that is the incomplete dominance. Here the example of Mirabilis jalapa and two parent plant, that is to the red flower plant is crossed with to the white color plant, and so in the F1 generation the all are in the pink color, and then again this pink color is crossed with this F1 plant, and in the F2 generation 1:2:1 ratio we get, and so the one black and stay to the 1:1. The phenomena of incomplete dominance can be explained on the basis of Mendelian segregation. In the case of complete dominance, the recessive factors fails to show its effect, or it is entirely effective in the presence of dominant factor. In 4 o'clock, if you cross the red RR, which is always pure, to the white WW, that is always pure, if get pink RW, which is always hybrid or heterozygous. In the case of incomplete dominance, neither allele is dominant, so there is a blending of traits, and when two different alleles for the same trait color together, colors blend together in a heterozygous individuals, that is the third phenotype. Why does incomplete dominance occurs? Incomplete dominance may occur because neither of the two alleles is fully dominant over the other, or because of the dominant allele does not fully dominate the recessive alleles. This results in the phenotype that is different from both to the dominant and recessive alleles and appears to be the mixture of both. The examples of incomplete dominance, and also shown another type of flower, that is the snapdragon. Incomplete dominance is the cross pollination experiments is done into the snapdragons also, and then the roses, the incomplete dominance is seen, and in again the incomplete dominance is when dominant alleles form of a gene does not completely mask the effect of recessive alleles, and the organism's resulting physical appearance shows to the blending of both alleles. It is also called a semi-dominant or partial dominance. So the incomplete dominance, one gene does not clearly dominate to the another. So in the phenotype of to the offsprings, the blended or blending of the two parents characteristics. So again and again I pasted the pictures of to the incomplete dominance. Okay, I hope all of you understand about to the incomplete dominance. In the next class we will discussing about to the